Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video, I'm going to do the battery rating test and the temperature test on the Realme X8 Max device while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game using the 4G Plus carrier aggregation after the Realme UI 3.0 and the Android 12 update. Yes, when this is my first time doing this kind of battery rating test on the Realme X8 Max device, and during this complete process, I'll try to play the game non-stop in this device. I won't spectate, I won't run continuously, I will play the game continuously because this test involves 1 hour of continuously gaming in the Realme X8 Max device using the Team Deathmatch only and with 70 FPS using Set Edit application. Because by default, after the Realme UI 3.0 update, you cannot get 70 FPS. The FPS will be capped only 60 FPS. But to get 70, you need to use a Set Edit application. Until now, there is no solution to get the 90 FPS in the Battlegrounds mobile game. But you can actually play in the PUBG, but not in the Battlegrounds mobile game. So this is after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update, which are doing demonstration on this phone using the 4G connection only, which is the carrier aggregation. Right now I'm getting, as you can see, exactly 4G plus signals and 100% charge the battery, and the stopwatch is also began, and the temperature is about only 30 degrees in the beginning of starting the test. And for this next 1 hour, I'll be playing non-stop Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme X Max device continuously, and the brightness I'll try to keep maybe 50% brightness. That's perfectly done, right? 50% brightness I'm trying to keep, and I'll try to use this gaming triggers as well during this process of testing, which I did enjoy using this one. Let's see friends, how much the battery will be draining using 4G data connection and how will be the temperatures in this device. Only the Team Deathmatch, not the classic match. Only Team Deathmatch I'm gonna play right now in this video. Now we'll be able to find out exactly what's happening. And let's start the gameplay, and let me open the real-time FPS meter. So this is a real-time FPS meter where you can actually monitor exactly what's happening with the real-time FPS. So we are getting about 60 and 60 or 68 FPS, not bad. Let me slightly increase the volume. Little bit I did increase. So 70 FPS, not bad. CPU and the GPU utilization, you can clearly see what's happening with the CPU. As you can see, fan utilization, not bad. CPU and the GPU utilization. Let's see how much the battery will decrease during this process of testing. Again, I'll try to record for every 20 minutes and 10 minutes. I'll try to record the battery percentage as well for every. So right now, let's see. And the temperatures has been begun with 30 degrees Celsius overall the temperatures during this time of testing. As you can see, it's not bad regarding the overall FPS maintaining in this device. So it was able to maintain pretty good stable FPS, and I'll try to again, I'll be back after maybe 15 minutes of continuously gaming. They will try to discuss about the temperatures in this device, what's happening overall. So I can be back after 15 minutes of gameplay. Right now, let's check what is happening with the temperatures. 32.6 degrees Celsius for the first few minutes increased. I can be back after 15 minutes. As you can see friends, right now we are getting close to kind of 12 minutes of continuously playing the Badlands mobile game itself with the 70 FPS I'm trying to play at this moment. Let me show you what is the battery percentage right now. Battery percentage is exactly still maintaining, I think 100%. As you can see, it's kind of shocking to see. It's still maintaining 100% only, even after playing continuously for about 12 minutes of time. So definitely friends, in the initial times we'll be getting slightly really good battery backup, but after some time it will be dropping a lot. But during this time of gameplay, I did not have any kind of bad experience. There is nothing much lag or nothing, no problems. There might be some kind of problem while playing the Free Fire gameplay. Free Fire game, some of the users did mention that they are having some kind of issues, but right now as you can see, there's nothing much major problems with the gyroscope sensor as well. It was able to perform really good. Gyroscope sensor, nothing much major problems as you can see here. And let's see friends, overall, just for one overall, I'll try to play the game starting from 100%. So right now we'll be able to see exactly, and I think still it's 100% the battery. Right now as you can see, it was able to maintain really good stable FPS. So I'm going to be back after some time, maybe after 30 minutes of time, then I'll try to show you exactly what's happening with the overall temperatures. Right now, after 15 minutes of gameplay, the temperature increased only 35 degrees Celsius in this phone, not bad. Using with the 70 FPS of gameplay. As you can see, it's not bad, maintaining pretty good. Again, I'll be back after 30 minutes of time. Till then, I'll try to play the game non-stop continuously in this device. So right now, as you can see, after getting close to 30 minutes of time, and the battery dropped to 96%, not 60. So it's 96%, as you can clearly see. So it dropped to 96% after 32 minutes of continuously gaming. So which you can definitely see here friends, clearly, not bad. And let's check out the temperatures, what is happening. Right now it's 36.8 degrees Celsius. So which is quite less, because my room temperature is also pretty low because of this winter season going on. That might be the reason why. So friends, during this time of testing, I did not have any kind of much problem while gaming. The phone was able to maintain really good FPS during this process of demonstration. No issues with the FPS decrease, frame drops, nothing at all. So this is just a normal team deathmatch on which I thought of doing on this testing. We'll see if it's playing the team deathmatch for 1 hour, how much the battery can be drained. So this is after the Realme UI 3.0 and Android 12 update. And I'm going to be back after the 45 minutes of continuously gameplay. So then I'll try to talk about more details. I will be back after 45 minutes. Right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to exactly 45 minutes of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme X and Max device. Let's see, friends, what is happening. The temperature is about 35.8 degrees Celsius during this process of testing, and battery drop to 87%. As you can see, there is a huge decrease, 87%. As I said, the battery is draining a bit kind of more, so 87%, not bad. So this is a test which using with the 70 FPS only, friends. 70 FPS I'm trying to play. That might be another reason why the battery is draining slightly more. As you can see, friends, after getting close to 53 minutes of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game, and the battery dropped to 82%. Yes, 82. So battery is started to decrease very fast, very fast. So only the first 100% remained kind of slightly more than usual, but after that the battery will be dropping very fast, friends. So this with only 70%, 70 FPS only. So just imagine what will happen if you try to play at 90 FPS. 90 FPS, don't even think about that. I think the battery might be dropping up to 25% to 30% as well if you try to play at 90 FPS. I think that might be the reason why the Realme decided not to give the 90 FPS, I guess, for the Realme X and Max users. You can see the CPU and the GPU utilization, how much it's kind of utilizing at this moment. After 54 minutes, let's say the temperature is what is happening. 36.6 degrees Celsius is the highest so far. Not bad. So I will be back after some time, friends, when the time gets close to 1 hour of time. So finally, friends, we are getting close to exactly 1 hour of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in this device. And overall, the battery dropped to 79%, friends, exactly after 1 hour non-stop gaming. Let me show you the statistics. As you can see, the battery dropped, how the battery is dropping. So with using normal mode only, there is no high performance mode involved at this moment. Let me scroll down and show you the usage. As you can see clearly, friends, screen time is exactly 1 hour. So exactly 1 hour, the battery dropped to 79%. So overall, there's a decrease of close to, I think, 21% got battery decreased just for 1 hour of playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in this device. And the temperatures I did see increase up to 37 degrees Celsius, 36 and 37 degrees Celsius. And my room temperature is also pretty low because of very cool weather, winter season. That's the reason it's kind of pretty low. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this battery rating test on the Realme X and Max device while playing the team match in the Realme X and Max for 1 hour of using the 4G plus SIM card. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.